The Dodge Charger Daytona has officially entered the electric age, and it hasn't taken long for the aftermarket world to start exploring ways to push this all-electric muscle car to new heights. The latest development comes from Waido Kits, a US-based company known for its impressive body kits, who have just revealed a widebody conversion for the Charger Daytona through a series of stunning renders. This dramatic transformation offers a glimpse into how tuners are beginning to shape the future of electric muscle cars. The Dodge Charger Daytona is an important vehicle for the brand, marking the first step into the world of electric performance vehicles for a company that's been synonymous with raw, muscle-powered machines. With customer deliveries of the electric Charger Daytona now underway, it's clear that the aftermarket scene is already gearing up to give this futuristic muscle car its own personal touch. And while the Charger Daytona may be a leap forward in terms of performance and design, the Widebody kit from Waido Kits is a perfect example of how enthusiasts can make their new ride even more imposing. Waido Kits is a name that many are familiar with in the aftermarket community. The company has previously worked on projects for vehicles like the Tesla Cybertruck, Ford Explorer, Jeep Grand Cherokee, and older Dodge Charger and Challenger models. Now, Waido has shifted its focus to the Charger Daytona, bringing a new level of aggression to this electric muscle car. The Widebody kit, previewed in a series of eye-catching renders, takes the already sleek Charger Daytona and amplifies its visual presence, making it look even more intimidating on the road. Starting with the front of the vehicle, the Waido Widebody kit includes a pronounced front splitter, which enhances the car's aggressive stance. The front quarter panels are also redesigned, giving the Daytona an even broader look. Moving along the side, the kit features new side skirts that complement the car's already muscular profile. But it's at the rear where the Widebody kit truly shines. Flared rear quarter panels and a newly designed rear diffuser add to the car's dramatic appearance, while the fixed rear wing gives the vehicle a racetrack-ready edge. One of the standout features of this kit is the use of forged carbon fiber for several components, including the diffuser. This high-tech material not only enhances the performance of the car by reducing weight but also adds a touch of luxury and sportiness to the Daytona's design. Additionally, custom wheels with forged carbon aero discs give the vehicle a high-performance look that matches its electric capabilities. Although there are no specific details yet about how much wider the car becomes with the new kit, it's clear that Waido Kits has designed a widebody package that makes the Charger Daytona look far more imposing. It's not just a simple aesthetic upgrade, this widebody kit turns the Daytona into an attention-grabbing machine that demands to be noticed. As for pricing, Waido has been known to offer a variety of options depending on the vehicle. For reference, the company's widebody kit for the previous generation Charger started at around $1,790, while the kit for the Tesla Cybertruck was priced at nearly $10,000. While we don't yet know the exact price for the Charger Daytona kit, it's safe to assume that it will be in the higher range given the dramatic changes it brings to the vehicle. It's worth noting that Waido's widebody kit for the Dodge Charger Daytona is likely just the beginning. With the gas-powered Charger Daytona set to arrive this summer, we wouldn't be surprised if a similar kit for that version of the car is in the works as well. Given the growing demand for aftermarket parts and modifications in the electric vehicle market, it's exciting to think about how tuners and customizers will continue to shape the future of the electric muscle car scene. For those looking to make a statement with their electric Dodge Charger Daytona, the Waido Widebody kit offers an aggressive and visually stunning option that's sure to turn heads. With its blend of performance, technology, and unmistakable muscle car charm, the Charger Daytona is setting the stage for a new era of electric performance cars.